Today's date is 2nd March 2022. Today's topic is method return type in Java. First of all, my name is Atul Ashok Ugalmule, and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical. I am from Ahmednagar district, and I did complete my graduation in BE Mechanical. So let's go to our topic. Uh, the return method, the method return type in Java. In Java, every method is declared with the return type, such as int, float, double, string, etc. So this return type this return type is required return statement, and the end of the method return keywords are used to returning the our resulted value. The while return type doesn't require any return statement. In Java, return keywords is used complete the execution of our method, or execute our method, or calling our main method, uh, or returning our main method. The return followed by the appropriate the value returned to a caller. This value depends on the method return type. Like int method is always return a integer value. So it is allowed to return keywords in a void method. So the value passes with the return keyword. They must match with the return type of the method. Yeah, in Java programming, the return statement is used to returning a value when the execution of the block is completed. So the return statement inside a loop will cause the loop break, and the further statement will be ignored by the compiler. So this is basically our return statement, and I explained the syntax of our syntax or declaration of return methods, or methods return type. So basically, in our program, the top method is our main method, and the base method is our basically return type. In a return type method are void is basically no return type, and the another is a return type method. So our return type method is returned to our main method, or our top of method, and the main function of our top main method is print our value of our console. So basically, in our return method is basically recursion. In recursion are mostly used to printed our outputs, or our converted for loops is printed on our console. So basically, the return method is main function, or our Java programming is return give the return our main methods. So the value is passed with the return keywords must match with the return type of the method. So in Java programming, the return statement is used to returning the value, and when the execution of the block is completed. So the return statement is inside a loop will cause the loop to break, and the further statement will be ignored by the compiler. So in a while method, there are no required to write our return method or return keywords, because it is by default is return to our main method. So basically, the most of time the value return is by int, and the is in int, our float, and string, and boolean. Basically, boolean are used to return the value true or false in our program. So this is our today's topic of is return method returning our Java program. Thank you.